Yes, y'all, it's your boy Cam Legend. Hope all is well. And in this video, I'm going to be speaking about why content is king. You see, right now I'm in a beautiful place, beautiful scenery, beautiful settings, and it's making me want to go back home, go get my expensive ass camera, go get my tripod, just to show you this place in its purest form. But ultimately, that doesn't mean my content is highly valuable. What is valuable is my words, my message. That is what is considered, not about how beautiful this place is in external energies. Of course, if anybody wanted to know more about this, they could message me. They could YouTube search the drone footage, aerial view of this place, if they really wanted to. But ultimately, it's the message. On TV, there's competition for high production value. But on social media platforms, where they truncate and compress these videos anyway, there's less of a competition for that. You see, TikTok, social media platforms, all of these places, you know, it's 15-second, 30-second videos, 1-minute videos, but people are squeezing a lot of information. They're squeezing a lot of entertainment in there. That's what matters the most, is how valuable is your content? What's the replay value on it? Can anybody learn from it? Can anybody pick up a notepad and pen and write down some things to further research? This is of value. When YouTube first came out over a decade ago, people were making videos in their bedroom. All they had was a camcorder, 144p, 360p. And if you look at the people that are still making content from the start to now, their production has obviously upped. They have a team, they have millions of followers, and they kept on building to get better, to build on their production, you know, because it takes time to bring out content of high value. A 10-minute video, a 15-minute video that is highly produced can take as long as 3 to 4 days to produce, you know. If you was doing that every time, some people may not see you for a whole month, a whole week, but your competition has dropped more videos out because they're using their phone. You see, these phones are $1,000 up sometimes. 3 cameras, 2 on the front, 1 on the back, or vice versa. Whatever. It's not the same level anymore. These are highly technological devices. There's no excuses. I used to make the same excuse. Oh, I haven't got the latest camera. I haven't got a light box to show this place in its purest light. All these kind of things. But these were all excuses. Because ultimately, if you want to build on something, you want to do something, you just do it now. Your confidence is expressed through you, not through anything else external. Believe in your wave. Everything else is an excuse. You're either looking internal or external. Your energy is within. So if you're somebody who's looking to bring out content, but you may be procrastinating or worrying about the same things I used to worry about, just do it. Just like Nike's slogan, just do it. Just do it. Build on something. People love to relate. People actually disconnect with content creators when they start to go Hollywood, you know? So just be organic, be natural, be you. Make sure it's of high value. That's it. All right? Peace.